In this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph an image after it's gone through a reflection. And I'm going to teach you a couple of tricks on this, and at the end I'll show you one of the biggest tricks that you can remember how to do this. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the image of triangle ABC over the line x equals -2. So here is the line x equals -2. It is a vertical line. It crosses at x equal 2. Okay? Now, the first thing to remember is a reflection flips a figure over a line to create a mirror image. Okay, so let's identify the points for triangle ABC. So A is at 2, 4. X is 2, y is 4. That's this point. B is at 5, 2. X is 5, y is 2. C is at 4, -4. So x is 4, y is -4. So what we have to do is we keep the y. The y coordinate does not change for a vertical reflection. Okay, just keep that in mind. So for a vertical reflection, which is what we have, y doesn't change. So let's write our new points with the y's the same. So 4, 2, -4. Now we just need to figure out the y coordinates. The x coordinates. So figure out the x coordinates. Point A is 4 units right of x minus 2. So A will also be 4 units left of x equals -2. So see how A is 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right of x equals -2. So that means the reflected point is going to be 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be here at -6. Okay? So see how it's 4 units? So it'll also be 4 units from here to here. And A prime is now -6. Okay? So we do the same thing for the other points. So point B is 7 units right of x equal -2. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So that means it's going to be 7 units this way from -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be at -9. Okay, so it is at -9. And then for point C, C is 6 units right of x equal -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so it's 6 left of -2. Okay? So now we have the points -9 and -8 for C for x. Okay? So now we could just plot the triangle, which we did already. Now the final trick is for a vertical reflection, which is what we have here. There's a vertical line here of x equals -2. The new x is 2 times -2, which is this x here, minus the original x. So for example, for A, x is 2. So the reflected x is 2 times -2, 2 times this, minus 2, the original 2. So that's going to equal -6, which is what we have here. And that is the trick on how to do a vertical reflection. Okay? So vertical reflection, you keep the y the same, and then you can calculate the new x with this formula if you don't want to do all the counting of the little squares. Okay? And that's all there is to that. You can do this, anyone can do this. If you didn't get that, you could just rewatch the video. Also take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link that'll take you right to this lesson. You can follow along the lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this. You could check those out. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.